What up? What up? I'm just trying to set everything up. Free longs? How to get the Diddy oil off me? Shit gets sticky after a while. Dude, I'm just getting out for 2 seconds. Because I'm not looking at it, and I don't want to be down fucking gobs when I turn my fucking head and look. Oh, it's going. Whatever. Fuck, man. Yo, what up, Double O? Oh, man. Oh. My 4th TP renewed, and tomorrow my 5th renew. Wait, are you going to be 5 pro accounts? Is that what you're saying? Oh, man. Are you going to have 4? Yo, what up, Racer? Are you going to have 5 pro accounts tomorrow? Is that what you're saying? Yo, 3 pro accounts is nice. Dude, that's real nice. Oh, damn. I just need to type this one thing out. So glad I got out of that long. Dude, it just came all the way back. You just got to follow the 34. Look, just follow the green line. Just follow the green line. Oh. Sup, bro? Do you seriously have contact at TPT? Dude, well, I don't know. Why does it keep happening though? What does it keep happening? Since when? Yesterday? Dude, did that happen since yesterday? How long has it been pending? Since yesterday? I mean, I would email them. Who'd you email? Who'd you email over there? Dude, this thing's gonna go. I have a feeling this thing's gonna really go for it. Yeah, Dell, that's what I'm saying. I got a new one this morning too. Look, this is brand new. I don't get why it's happening. Did the payment go through? Yo, did the payment go through, Desmond? The payment took and it did that. Um, yeah, I've never had an issue like that. Yo, I think they were slow yesterday, but everyone's got their stuff. I mean, I got mine. Dell got his. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm saying is everyone's is working but yours. It just seems weird. Like something's going on. What'd they say the first time? I want to see if they just ride. Of course, the one time I grabbed to ride the trend, it's going to go through. Every time I try to ride the trend, I destroy the trend. Destroyed it. Andy, I didn't even open it up yet. I'm going to open it up later on. He likes the way Brett's ass looks. And his golden pocket. Yo, that's what happens. I use them. I got this account today. Well, up. Hope tomorrow's a better day. What'd you do, Code? Boom, 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 boom. Why do I like them? There's no real rules. It's like a hybrid take profit trader. I was allowed to bracket trade, so I got them only because I couldn't bracket trade 350. Other than that, I don't know if I'm going to keep them. True story. I don't know if I'm going to keep them, Dell. I only did it for that one thing. And I don't know what the deal is after that. I don't know. I've toyed with the idea of just getting rid of them. Yeah. I wanted to take, so that was the account I took from nothing. I passed it doing that one trade, and then I took it to a payout, only doing that one trade. So, you know, they paid me. I did it all. And, you know, I'm just kind of over it. I don't think they're bad. I don't think it's bad. I just got a lot of accounts. I just go where the deals are. Like, that's pretty much it. You know, like I would recommend everyone getting a My Funded Futures account because you get a free reset when you do. It's pretty fucking good. I'm curious what the boom, 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 boom. What up, Cody? Yeah. Dude, the free resets is where it's at, man. Like you pay and you get a free reset. It's pretty solid. Like I don't know. I find it to be really, really good. I can't be the only one that finds it to be really good. Free reset just kind of seems legit. I think I'm getting my third account right now as we speak. I already got two. There we go. I just got it. It's processing. You don't like, dude, the market hasn't been, I don't know. I hit for a lot today. I'll say that. I definitely smashed for a lot on a bunch of things, but Yeah, it's your first time. Yeah. I don't know. The payout rules are pretty easy. Like, I find it to be pretty easy. You guessing we don't? Man, it's just playing range to range on the hourly. We got the new 4-hour. New 4-hour. I'm just trying to think. Do you think we wick this? It's real clumpy on the 5 up top. I'd love to see a wick over this high and then come back through. What is that? 33? That's up here. That would be make a new high and then come back down. That's actually the trade that I would like the best out of all the setups would be sweep, maybe go up to 352 and then straight back through. It's probably the trade that would net you the most amount of points if you held would probably be that trade. Boom, 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 boom. Yo, what about that Knick game last night? Jeez. I'm still not over it. Still not over the Knick game. I can't believe that shot went in. I can't believe it went in. Go Pacers. Oh, jeez, dude. I just can't. I don't know. I'm just telling you. Shit was whack. Whack. Damn. Oh, so what are you in Indiana, I guess? You live right over there, I assume. This is pretty freaking clumpy here. Yeah. I mean, listen, it was crazy. Reggie Miller was there. Of all people, Reggie Miller was doing the announcing. I don't know. They fucking choked. I saw a stat 977 times. If a team is up by 14 or more in the last 2 minutes and 50 seconds, they've won it every single time. And 978th time that happened was last night, and they lost. That was the first time in 978 times that has happened. You're up more than 14 points with 2 minutes and 50 seconds left, either in overtime or fourth quarter in a playoff game. Crazy. I thought the game was a great game. Like, I wasn't sitting there being like, oh, this game sucks at all. You know, I thought the game in general was very good. I just thought, I can't believe that shot went in. Was my thought. That was a wild shot. Hit the back of the rim, bounced up, and went right down. Halliburton choke signal was the best. I didn't see it. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Yo, what up, Prelim? What up, Bum? If we go down to the 200, I'm going to move my stops. If we go down to the 200, I'm going to move my stops right here. What up, Discipline? Yo, K Moore is back. What up? What up? I want to see it reject and continue fucking down, baby. We continue down. I'm moving to 70. I'm moving my stop to 70. Oh, I'm going to be holding this one for a little bit. Am I? I'd love to see a tank like yesterday. Give me the tank. I like it to the downside. I just see what happens. Yo, what up, Double O? I'm hanging tough. Yo, Dell. Why? Why don't you like them? Just wondering. What's the big deal with Bullnox? Oh, man, I feel like I'm going to be hanging in this thing for a little bit. I don't mind Bullnox. Treat them better. Come on. They deserve a little bit. I like Bullnox. The biggest problem with Bullnox to me personally is the fact that you need to get $3,600 for a payout. You know what I'm saying? If you didn't have to get 3,600 Cove, I can't walk anymore. Dude, just go smaller. Go small. Paper trade for the rest of the day. Give it a little paper trade. Paper trade never hurt anybody. Nah, Bullnox you pull anytime. The once a month shit is Fidias. Fidias is once a month. They allow you to get your money. Yeah, Ali. Yeah, it was rough this morning. Trading has not been easy the last couple of days. I can tell you that. I'm not sitting here being like, "Oh, it was so easy. We trended up, we trended down." Like, you know, when we start chopping around, I think your best bet is to go small and then set like a stop loss that's kind of far away, so you can't less likely to get chopped. That's what I would say is the best bet. Come on. I want to see a fucking dump. Yo, Bum, that's awesome that you've been paper trading, though. That's a good place to learn. I will say, once you start getting actual skin in the game, it's a little bit different. But it's good to see that you're doing that. Just dump it. Just dump it. Dump it for me. Dump it for you. Come on, baby. Yo, Forex is rough. I've traded Forex before, man. Forex is a rough one to win. You want to talk about real bad? Yeah. Forex to me is like brutal. Brutal. Yo, what up, DBT? Yo, DBT, what the fuck? They cleaned you out. I'm waiting for this big red dump candle. Got him! In the early 80s, trading penny stocks? Bro, that must have been wild. I'm debating on taking this trade off or not at this point. I kind of wanted to see I wanted to see a dump at least into the 60s. I thought we'd get at least 60 to touch the pivot point. The biggest issue with this trade is the 200 keeps moving up, which would probably be support, and it's not flushing down. Come on, give me a big red candle to like 75. There we go. Come on. Come on. Roll it the fuck over. I want it to go to like 66 so I can move my stop down. So I can lock in some shekels here. Come on. Overall trading, Eminem. Prop firms, I'm right now, if I would add prop, like that's not on their list. I just took out $3,900 yesterday. Prop firm payouts are, I don't know, into the 40s, almost 50,000. The rest is stocks, options. Yeah. 3,900 was a nice hit yesterday. Hasn't hit my account yet, but no, actually, one of them hit my account. They paid me on Rise. Rise hit my account, but Topstep did not pay me yet. And oh no, my funded futures sent me on Rise also. The only one I didn't get is Topstep. Topstep, you gotta wait. Topstep, you add it, then it comes out of the account pretty fast. Like it came out of this account already. And then I'm not going to see that money though for like 3 to 5 business days. Yo, anybody do this? I am debating on this. So you know how like yeah, take it. I'm debating on like to slam this account sometimes. This just feels like it's ready to dump. Even going up, it still feels like it wants to dump. Is this thing really going to high a day? I can tell you exactly what's going to happen. I'm going to get taken out, and then it's going to dump. Dude, it's going to just unload. Now that it took me out, I kind of want out of it now. I'm out. I'm out. Obviously, I didn't want it to come that high. I really wanted to make a lower low right here. This candle dumped. And then I wanted continuation from this candle to the downside. So at least down here, I move my stop to break even and see if we get past there, you'd probably see all the way down here. But we did not do that. I would love them to go make new highs and then dump. That's what I was talking about earlier, but who knows? I don't know. I'm not going to do that, but some people do. Some people just buy and just hold and wish for the best. The problem with Topstep is you need 5 days of $200 or more. So even if you did that, I guess you should probably be able to get $200 or more after, but you know what I'm saying. You need to still be able to trade to pull the money out. Like you can't just get lucky once. You know, you gotta consist. You know, that was a nice candle. Ah, I got some bright spots, some not so bright spots. You know, I think most of my fundeds are up except for one take profit trader account. Other than that, I believe all my other funded accounts are up that I have. Which really, at the end of the day, is the ones you focus on the most. This is what I was talking about earlier. Sweep this area and then come back through. That'd be the fucking money. I just got rebuilds. I got rebuilds. I didn't buy them. They're rebuild at the lower rate. Yo, you know what we need? Bro, I need a Celsius. I'm calling the cops? Oh, jeez. Bro, how bad? How bad, Knob? Yo, just getting a Celsius. I'm back. Got to get my Celsius on, yo. Yo, we're going with Tropical Vibe. There we go. Bro, can you guide me how to put a stop loss on what, Vivek? How do you put a stop loss? Dude, my pass rate with the starter accounts, I want to say it's probably like 35, 40%. Celsius is made with people. Bro, then I'm about to put my mouth on some titties right now. This is going to be some titty drinks. Thanks for letting me know, Keith. Yeah, I'm just going to be back. Right in the freaking, right in the drink. Right here. You hit this little gear button. Take profit, stop loss. And then when you get in, see? My stop loss is there, my take profit, and then you can move it one way or the other. Yeah, Chad. Need some vodka? Well, what's wrong, Tilt? I'm just curious. Why? There you go, Baba. Uh, there. Celsius tropical vibe. Why is he a cuckold, Tilt? Bro, he created the greatest dip with the fast fucking V recovery. I will say, like him or hate him, outside, I made money in my trading account. I fucking crushed it in my retirement account. Crushed it. Like I almost couldn't sleep. Yeah, it's definitely pretty cool. Listen, I like him. Yo. Come on, Chad. Yo. Yo, thanks for giving me that big ass dip down to 16,500 and bringing it back to 21,500 in like weeks. My pockets love you. My pockets fucking love you, man. I mean, you know, yo, it's 364. I mean, I would assume we're going to hit at least 329. I mean, I guess. I listen, I have no idea, man. I have no idea. Like, I think like this, Tilt. I think in politics in general, how are these people making $200,000 a year, but yet their net worth is 200 million? You know, on both sides. You know, the only thing you can really focus on is making money, and that's it. And the stock market provides you this vehicle to make a lot of money. So I don't care what he does. You know, my vote, I'm not going to change a nation's mind. So it is what it is. You know, you don't fight it. You just use it to your advantage. You know, if Trump is in office, this is what I think is going to happen. If Kamala got in, this is what I think will happen. And you just got to play what you think is going to happen. You know, there's no, oh my God, you know, the economy is going to go to shit. Well, if you really think it's going to go to shit, then you should short all the companies, put your money on the table and do it, because he's creating you an opportunity that everything's going to go to shit. And you just play it as it is, you know, that's all. And I think people get blindsided by their personal beliefs instead of just doing it. Dude, I mean, what do you think Bill Clinton did and Bill Gates? They were on the Epstein Island fucking flight log. I mean, I have no proof. He's in. I can't change that. He's in. What's the difference if I say, oh, I hate him? Okay, well, I hate him. I mean, what does that matter? I still got to make money in the market. You know, a lot of these guys are scumbags. I can't do anything about it. You know, I am nobody. I'm not going to sit here and arrest this guy or change minds or anything. You just play. All honestly, I don't even vote. I honestly don't even vote. My fucking vote doesn't even matter. So, you know, I think both sides, there's issues. And that's it. You know, I think guys like Elon bringing somebody in like that to look through government spending waste was a good idea. You know, there's a lot of waste. Fucking $25 million to make a Sesame Street movie show in the Middle East. Like, what the fuck are we doing? So, you know, I think people let their personal thoughts sway them out of making a lot of money. You know, you think the stock market is rigged. Okay, is it rigged? Does it just go up? Okay, well then just play it up. Don't complain that the stock market is rigged. Just play it how you think it's going to go. You know, people get this thing about it and it's just like, you just play it. Just ride the fucking system, man. How much did Elon save him? I don't know. I'm not keeping track because that keeps my mind away from making money. Like, I only have so many hours in the day. My focus is on making money, and that is it. Not focused on anything else. All right, man. Like, I don't know what you want. Okay, Trump is bad. Trump is bad. I don't know what you're looking for. I'm here trading, making money, and that's it. I don't know what it is. I mean, if it's a scam and you think it's going to go down, then you should short it with all your money. And if it's a scam that it always goes up, then you should get in long. I think too many people look. Do I know how much he saved? I don't know. Do you know how much he saved? Are you counting the little beans over there? I don't know, man. Nobody fucking knows. I just know they caught a lot of waste. I don't know. Who are you? Are you in? Are you counting the money? Are you there in the office looking at it all? Because if you're not in the office, then you don't know either. Don't tell me you're listening to some media either, because fucking the media is brutal too. Nobody really knows, man. Is there gold in Fort Knox? I don't know. Fucking, do you think there's gold in Fort Knox? I got no fucking idea. You gonna believe somebody that says there's gold there? I don't know. I don't know. I think you know. What up, Lena? Yeah, he didn't save him. Okay, he didn't save him any money. Good. Okay, now we can move on from that. Like, okay, cool. He didn't save him any money. If you want to believe that, yo, Elon's slinging it, Garen. I know. Like, Sleepy Joe is better. You know, Sleepy Joe is just better. We need to talk about important stuff like the Earth's flat. I don't know, man. This is we're zigging when we should be zagging over here. Yo, how about this? Did we land on the moon? I got a Celsius. Yo, they rug pulled that shit. Did we go to the moon? Yeah, I don't think it's going to roll. You got a little flag break right here. Watch them just take it to the next. Yo, what up, Nathan? What up? Yo, I got some stuff that'll put you in the shadow realm. Boom, 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 boom. Yo, Robert Rod, 2 payouts from Apex today. Nice, man. Yo. Yo, you just roll with it, man. Yo, that's awesome, though. I feel good for you, dude. Oh. Sean, don't. Sean. Oh, man. I'm going today, Code. I'm going after the market. I'm going to go. Yo, what up, Bob? Oh, my God. Yo, Bill Clinton had a painting of him on the island. Dude. Boom, 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 boom. What up, Sam? Oh, he can't respond back to you for 30 minutes, Sean. Boom. Bro, the Clintons? Jeez. I don't even want to say it on the stream. They're going to come find me. Dude, we can go down the rabbit hole, though. We can go down the big rabbit hole of all the conspiracies. That's for like a nighttime stream. Did we land on the moon? And all the other things that go along. The moon landing. That's like, did you know the guy who created breakfast is the most important meal of the day? That was false. Basically, he was selling pork and sales were down, and he was trying to figure out how he could get more money. And he talked to one of his friends, and they said breakfast is the most important part of the day. And then it just went on. It's really not. It was just to sell more pork and meat. I don't know. I'm gonna get a Wrangler, probably for the beach. Yo, Yan, you ain't kidding. Exactly. Exactly. There's a bunch of things that came out, like chemtrails were false. Never like chemtrail, like, you know, the on the airplane, they denied that was able to happen. Denied it. They did it over in Saudi Arabia, and it flooded their streets. Bro, first of all, I'm just telling you, body bag, your comments not even on YouTube. Yeah. Well, not if, yo, that's what's crazy, Knob. It was either the biggest thing ever, or it was either the biggest conspiracy ever. I don't know. Or they killed everybody. I don't know. Yo. I don't know. There's so many of them, though. A lot of the conspiracies have come true. A lot of them. You know, like the whole. Yo, Ray. I mean, that's what I say. Just play the information for the information. You know, just keep it going. No, but they said it wasn't able to happen, design knob, and then they ended up. It's real. They did it over in the Middle East. I think they did it over in the Middle East, and it fucking flooded uh, the whole city. Look it up. It's real. They put shit in the air to do it. Dude, what are you guys all like the same person? Tilt was right. Elon didn't save a penny. How do you know? Are you in the room? How does anybody really know? I know they were spending money on fucking to make a Sesame Street show in the Middle East. I could tell you that that's not happening anymore. I don't even think we're sending any more money to Ukraine. I think that stopped also. I think the whole Ukraine sending money thing stopped as well. Yeah, there was a bunch of shit that was on that list, like stupid shit too. Like, what the fuck is going on? Shit. One of them was like trying to convert Middle Eastern to like other religions or something. Like, bro, have you ever been over there? No one's converting shit. How do you know he didn't? Like, show me how you know he didn't. I want to know. Yo, sending out stimulus checks was like the biggest fucking problem with the US economy. That caused some serious inflation. That's why all that shit happened. Bro, Maximus, yo, people were doing that shit in schools, man. I think just the pendulum swung one way too far, and now it's going to swing back, most likely too far the other way, and you just have to settle somewhere in the middle. I didn't mean to buy 6 fucking contracts. Yo, design knob. I didn't mean to buy 6 contracts. This was a bad move. Yo, all these new names are coming in. Yo, all these new names. Just be sure to subscribe. Smash the like button also. Yo, you can come in with 18 burner accounts. Just smash the like button. I will say though, this was the sweep that I was talking about. I kind of want to go 3 short and just hold it. That was the sweep we were talking about. Yo, code. It's gaped with an ice pack on it. Yo, let's talk about Grimes. She freaky. I got dry docked all. Yo. I want to see a freaking dump. I want to see a dump. Bring Tilt back. I didn't kick him out. I didn't kick Tilt out. He left. You thought I kicked somebody out? I didn't kick anybody out. I don't kick people out. No, he just left. I think he's on Tilt. I think he's triggered. I think Tilt was triggered. Before they just rip it all the way up. There's no follow through on the selling. 0 follow through on the selling. Just none. I don't know him. I've seen him around. But I just think he got a little triggered. Yo, OJ Simpson? OJ Simpson, not a Jew. Bro, I love that song. Yo. But guess who is? Yo, what up, Inuit? I'll bite. The fuck? Price action's sucking.
I'm having a play with Calvin tomorrow.
Sounds good, bud.
And he's going to Guinea Go-Go.
All right. I love you. Close the door, bud. I love you. Dude, my kids have no boundaries. Just come in. Come in like the fucking Kool-Aid man. Just busting in my office door. Cool. I got $5 out of that. Cool. OJ Simpson. So what really happened? Yo, the best is, have you seen that video? OJ Simpson said he didn't have the glove, and then you see him announcing a sportcast wearing the murder gloves. Bro, that shit was wild. Yo, I knew it. Nice, man. Yo, right out of this breaker. Oh my God. I'll take it. I'm going to take it. Fuck it. That's looking clean, man. That's looking so fucking clean. Come on, get out of this thing. Come on. At least 328. Come on, baby. Oh, it's a big dildo candle. Go. I'm riding free, baby. They're going to catch me riding dirty right here.
I found this for you from yesterday.
Damn. All right, so I got that. That was a good one. I was acquitted. End of story. Yo, Kevin, second day with TPT. I hit 3K profit target. What do you do for the rest of the days? You go to micros and you go to 1 and you just buy and sell real quick and you just kind of get a day under your belt. You know what I'm saying? You just flip one micro. Yo, what up, Funded? What up? Yo, I love the long now. Who started it? Who started long? Luna? Does it have to be a win? No, you just need to make one trade a day. What up, Dan? Yo, Luna started that? I kind of like it. Me. Yo, that might be one that sticks around a little bit. You know, I just look at the numbers, and I just make money, Does he have that goofy ass fucking cowboy hat on? Does it look like he's trading in the janitor's closet? Bro, I saw him trading one day. It looked like he was in the janitor's closet. There was no lights on. He had a fucking cowboy hat on. His chair was like against a wall where he couldn't even fucking get in the seat. I was like, Bro, I saw him blow 3 accounts in 4 minutes, and he's like, "Oh, I just got another funded account." I was like, what's people watching? What are people watching? I have not seen that. Yo, Demo Danny. Bro, I went in there and just roast him for like 10 minutes. Me and Jay went in there and we were on the phone and just roasted him. And people in the chat were like adding us, laughing at it. And then we just fucking bounced. But yeah. David, you've been riding this from the low of the day? Dude, that's some balls, man. The low of the day? How'd you not get stopped out on this? Or you bought down here? I legit hate this guy. Tilt, I agree on that. Entertainment only. I completely agree. Bro, what? I don't even know what that is. Yo, Baba, oh, man. Sean, my degenerate ass, will be playing it full time, man. At least one account. Explicit story time. Let it rip. Let it rip. Yo, if YouTube bans the comment, I legit joined the Discord on my speakers to 50 Shades of Grey being read. Where what Discord was that in? Degens, mount up. Bro, is that when you joined our Discord and we were in the middle of talking some wild shit and you joined the voice? Yeah, yo. Yo, what gets talked about on Discord is definitely more explicit. I'm out on Topstep with consistency rules, Kevin. Unless they want to bring me back on Topstep TV, then I'm back in. Then I'll have to get an account. Oh, man. Yeah. Entertainment only. Yo. Debating dirty Sanchez's. Yo, is that when you like your girl to eat corn like the day before? Oh, jeez. I got to get a trade in this account. What up? Yo, female futures trading. What's going on? Today's been a crazy day. Yeah, you're going to have to Google that one, Funded. I can't be explaining that on here. That's a no-no. I think what's really beneficial is talking strategy. Like we talk strategy on the Discord also, and it's just shooting ideas back and forth. What you like, what you don't like. K Moore, yo, K Moore got it. Imagine explaining that in Google search history, bro. It just happens. Well, I trade a personal, and I would say don't use AMP, use NinjaTrader. Costco chicken barcode PA. Yeah, it's definitely been that type of day. Free longs, bro. I haven't seen the free long guy in ages. Free longs. I don't think that guy is around anymore. Oh, dude, that would be crazy. That'd be crazy, crazy. Boom, 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 boom. I think we're gonna go. This is why I need a funded account for days like this. I mean, you're only one day away from getting one. I need one trade in this freaking account today. If I can just get a quick scalp, that or they're going to pull it back over the 21 on the 5. And in that case, I will buy on the way back up. Nope, not buying it there. Come on, baby. Yeah, Kevin, take profit trader is the best in the game. The no activation fee is great, and daily payouts are great, and the no rules. I'm just gonna say that's what I probably like about it the best. It's the closest thing to trading your own money. Yo, what up, Cube? Bro. Cube, don't even get me started, bro. I almost fucking drop kicked my TV last night. Oh, fuck. I'm in micros. I didn't realize I was in micros. Fuck me. I'm just getting out of this trade. I'm in micros. So stupid. I was in one micro. Bro, and then it hit the back and then went up and just freaking hung there? What was that? I just grabbed I have to trade this account, so I just making one trade. The problem with straight to funded is you can get a funded account cheaper by passing an eval. That's my only issue, Ray, with straight to funded. I can get a funded account cheaper by just passing it. You're too emotional with the NQ? Oh, look at this shit. Boom, baby. All right, that's all I wanted to do today in that account. Yeah, 20% consistency rule sucks a big one. Female futures. Yo, female futures trading. What can I call you instead of saying female futures trading? Is that FFT? What is that? Fast? No, that's FTT. I got to go with something. It's such a long name to say. You don't have to give your real name if you don't want to, but just throw something out there that we can roll with. Watch, female futures trading is like, call me Jimmy. It's really a dude. And he's on like his wife's profile. Female works. Yeah, I guess just female. Female. Nah, man, there's a lot of females in this chat. There's Marie, Mad Moxie, Maria, Nazik. Dude, there's a lot of female traders in this room. A lot. There's even more. Dude, I'm going to look right now. Who else is there? Monet. Mama Tick. Who else? Mara James. Dude, and there's even a couple people that have like names that are like neutral that end up being females. There's a bunch. A bunch. OJ Simpson. What up, Pips? Yeah. You know, you never know. You never know. Like, there's just a lot. You know what's crazy is I was talking about this sweep, taking it short. That was literally the top. That was a tough hold, though. I don't know why I didn't. Yo, what's my bottom finder indicator say? Yo, hold on. I gotta set this thing up real quick. Hold on 1 second. Disconnect. Connect. Yeah, Luna. I have to. I feel like I have to. I don't know. I'm definitely going to play the after hours. Don't do it. Don't do it. I'm going to play at least in an eval. How's that sound? I'm going to play in an eval. I'm going back to my old ways. I'm going to test it out in my old ways and see what happens. Bro, that was such a nice freaking short. Free longs, play an all-in eval. I'm probably going to do an eval, to be honest with you. She's got a rooster? Damn, K Moore. 8 minutes. Yeah. Yo, I've been hitting of all trades, the 4 o'clock trade has been worked every single day so far. I would assume that VWAP is going to get touched. Honestly, I want to dude, I'm going to load up on the way down because I feel like it's going to bounce off of probably the top right here. Dude, why is my VWAP fucking different? Oh, jeez. Why is my VWAP different in this? Did that not rewrite? Oh, don't tell me it didn't rewrite correctly. Don't tell me it's gonna bro, Tradeify just fucked me. Oh my god, Tradeify just fucked me. Dude, I'm getting out. Anybody see that? The VWAP is actually lower. I got a good Tradeify fucking in. Unbelievable. Yo, I need a shave. Yo, what up, Moon Turtle? What up? What up? Oh, man. Scruffy. Yo, you guys. Yo, you don't like the scruff? Why don't you like the scruff? You guys are freaking hating on the scruff? Yo, what up, Spider? Yeah, I see it now. Yo, I did call out the short. I said we were going to sweep the high a day and then come back down for the short. And like an idiot, I didn't hold it at all, Chad. At all. I was talking about it when we were down here, how I wanted to sweep the high a day and then come back through and short it. I think my biggest problem, Chad, with doing it like this is the drawdown. So, like, I'll get it, but then, like, I got to hold 20 points or 30 points into drawdown to then get the bigger move. And it's the drawdown that I can't stand sometimes. I think that's my biggest thing. I'm getting rid of these for fucking. So I think what I need to do is I need to get out of the drawdown space, and then I'll be able to do it. Oh, baby. Yo, you're killing it, Keith. Nice. Keep up the good work, man. Yo, what up, Messi? Oh, baby. Don't go up. Don't go up too much. Don't go up too much. Simmer down. Simmer down.
Order rejected.
Fuck me. Okay. Okay. Okay, boys and girls. So I'm back. I'm back. So I got that in a funded account. I got $1,400 in this funded account. And yeah, I smashed it. I just shit myself. I smashed it. Yo, it blew right through my TP. Look at this. I got 19 points. Bro, I did it in a funded account. That's 1 out of 4. I'm walking around like the South Park guy with the big nuts right now. Funded accounts. Josh, what do you put for stop on the I just 25 points, 25 ticks. I've been calling winning trades all day. Oh, man. Tradeify has consistency? Yeah, 40% consistency. %40 consistent. That's why I tell everybody, to be honest with you, I tell everybody that you should use Take Profit Trader. It's 35%. Yeah. That's why I tell everybody you should use Take Profit Trader, because if you hit, argument's sake, say you do this and you hit big. I've done it. I hit for like 2,500 one day. I took all that money out that day. I didn't have to like do some consistency shit. You know, that's why I like Take Profit Trader. For stuff like this, I like Take Profit Trader. But yeah, that shit was good, man. Yo, Sean, this is one of those accounts that hit the soft profit, the soft stop loss yesterday, that it saved the account, and now I'm up on it. That's one of the examples. Yo, Chad, all day, baby. Yo, Keith, ATR trail stop with fibs. All right, let's see. Keith said this changed his life. ATR. ATR trail stop with fibs. All right, let's see what Keith's looking at. Yeah, I got no fucking idea what I'm looking at. I'll use the 15-minute. I'm going to have to look at this after hours, Keith. I got to have to look at this after hours. Let's put a little, I'll be back to it. I just got to put it in timeout for just 2 seconds. Man. Dude, they're fucking pushing this down. Are they just going to flush this out end of day? Just tell me they're going to flush it out end of day. I'm willing to risk 100 if they just sell it out. Like if they just flush this completely out, I'll risk $100. It's a free trade now. It's free. I'm in profit. Just in case they hold 200, I'm already in profit. It's a free trade, right? Oh, fuck yes. Now I'm just going to move this shit down, man. Holy fuck. Oh, fuck, boys. Oh, man. Are you fucking getting this, guys? Bro. All I took was coming inside the opening range. That was the trade. Come in when it came back inside the opening range. I took it. I took it to the fucking house. Made back all my losses. Boom! It might go lower. I'm just out because honestly, I was down in this account today. I just made back all my losses. And I'm fine ending the day like that. You know what I'm saying? Like, I just made back. I turned it from like down whatever to green. Like, I can end the day like that. Yo, visible. Boom. Honestly, you want to see it trade right back up to 198 and then reject. Come right back and touch this breaker and then reject would be fucking money. Money, money. Ducks are open for 3 minutes. Closes at 4 o'clock. Boing, boing, boing. Ducks are open. Yeah, Ducks are open until 4 o'clock. When the market closes, so do the Ducks. I need an account to do the end of day trade with. Honestly, I'm going to let it rip in this eval real quick. I'm going to go big in this eval to see if I can pass it. How's that sound? I'm going to try passing this in one freaking swoop. Five ticks is 20. I don't know if I'm going to let it go 10 ticks, but... Dude, I enjoy the other side of it, OJ. I enjoy when guys like Tilt come in or hang out. You got to have both sides of everything, right? You know what I'm saying? I like both sides of everything. Yo, bum. Jeez. Hit them while they're down. Are you still long? Yo, Bum's comment that didn't come through, he was saying, can somebody do a wellness check on Luna? That didn't come through on YouTube, though. $300. Look, 191 to 196. Do you see that? Or 192. What did I just get? I only got 2.5 points, but you could have got more. You would have got filled right here. What worried me on the trade today was, see this 9? I almost forgot what time it was too. But you would have gotten filled right here, right? And could have gotten, you could have gotten 5 points. Could have definitely gotten 5 points. You might even be able to get more than 5 points now, but there's definitely 5 points in there to be had. Yeah, look, there you go. You would have definitely gotten 5 points. I hit it already. I'm out. I'm done. I did 7 cons. I did 7 cons. So I took it off when I saw there was 4 points up. But by the time I clicked the button, I'm done, man. I just went 7 cons for the end of the day trade, man. Yo, I went 15 cons, no stop loss, and then they kicked me off the stream. I'm out. We played the drift at the end of the day, Monet. Yeah. 5 points is what you go for at the end of the day. 5 points above the wick. Today you could have probably, you definitely got 6. You probably got 7. 8 probably would not have filled you. What is this, prison? Well, what would you call it? 7 contracts? That's like the guy that calls it evaluations. Yo, how are you on your evaluations today? Oh, man. I want to say the end of day trade. Bro, it's worked every day. I think it's like 6 or 7 straight days. 5 to 7 straight days, something like that. Yeah, hit again. MJ, hit again. I want to say it hits. I mean, I'm definitely up on it. By the time it loses, I'm going to say I'm definitely up. Yeah, Victor, I don't know. I don't know if we're going to go to the top. Dude, this is where you want to reject. I might take this. Fuck that. I might take this. I'm going to regret this. We go under here. I'll take it. Little TPT payout tonight. Dude, that's awesome. Congrats, Coach Fred. Hey, sometimes you need to blow a couple frogs to find your prince. Is that what they say? Blow some evals for a payout? I'm fucking in on this shit. Let's see what happens. I'll ride this till the wheels come off right now. If we were during market hours, this is an A+ setup if we were in market hours. The non-market hours makes this a rough fucking trade. We basically came back, tested this breaker, and have dumped. Right? So I kind of want to see us trade down to at least 69. I'll sell 3 out right here. Yeah, that's the problem, Sean, why I don't like trading after hours. Like, this is a great setup during market hours, but when you go outside now, it's not that good because, like you said, there's no volume. The breaker retest is freaking awesome, but who knows? Who knows with no volume? Just in case they flash it down, I'll get filled. But how do I know it won't reach back up to the 3? I mean, you don't know. I mean, it could really do anything. News can drop. Anything could happen. I play the breaker retests a lot, so that's why I'm playing this. The same setup, just like you break a retest and then down, is the same reason why I play it to the upside. You know, look, here's the breaker, retest, and then down. That's just something I play. I normally play it during market hours, though, not after hours. So that's why I'm only doing it in one eval, and we're just going to let it fucking see what happens. Listen, if I get stopped out, I get stopped out. I'm not going to sit here and cry about it. I'm going to get some water, and I'll be back in 2 minutes. I'm coming back.
The market is closed.
We drop yet? Yo, Tilt, that's hysterical. I surf it while I'm streaming. I figured it'd just make for better entertainment. Bro, I can't even get this bag open. The fuck? Yo, holla at your boy. You guys like that? You guys like that? Shit, man. Yo, who took that short, by the way? Tell me you took that short. Say, oh, look at this. Move my stop down. Okay. How fucking nice was that? You guys know why I took it? Look. Look. Order block. Turn into a breaker. Retest. Rejected. Come down. That's why I took it. Hold on one second. Fucking computer. That was a good way to end the day, right? Ain't gonna lie on that longboard. But yeah. This one right here, Brandon, this one, this is the bottom finder. It's called CM Williams VIX. Oh, what, this? This one? It's Order Blocks and Breaker Blocks by Lux Algo. Yeah. Order blocks and breaker blocks. What, you think we can flush too? I'm completely done trading. First of all, you would have wanted to see this rejection at least touch this low, if not go further. And obviously after hours, it's kind of shit. So, you know, I don't trust anything. I feel like I don't trust anything. I don't trust anything these markets give us. You just found a nice... Which one, Fred? Yeah, as we get further after hours, the volume just gets sucked out. So you don't want to be in the markets after at least like 4:10, 4:15. The volume starts really getting sucked out of the market. Which one you use on Tradeify? The only one that I've seen is the volume imbalance for Tradeify. I don't. What FVG indicator do you use on Tradeify? The only one I use is these. See these like red lines, green lines. That's the volume imbalance indicator, which is the bottom of it's the bottom of fair value gaps or tops. Yeah, which is not bullish if you think about it. Look at the candle we put in. The fact that we were up and then sold off end of day, we closed really shitty, leads me to believe we're going to head lower. I want to trade into this area is where I want to trade into. That to me would be really nice. I've been toying around with some of this other stuff where I forget who has it, but they play 50% of the 4-hour candles. I got to look more into it. Vinay, let me see what that does. VAN. I don't see it. I don't see it. Let's see what we're working with here. Oh, this one? Oh, I actually have it installed. I don't use it for whatever reason. Maybe I didn't like it. I don't know. I have it installed though. Oh, man. All right. You guys want to see some ducks? Who wants to see some ducks? All right. Let me set the ducks up. Boom. By the way, if you're new, subscribe. We stream live every single day, 10:30 to noon, 2 p.m. to 4:30. If you want to support the stream, use coupon code COVETRADER. Also, if you're subscribed, you got to click that little bell button. Otherwise, you will not get notified that I'm live. What?
Remember Woody that when it stopped pecking on wood?
Yep.
He's back.
All right. My bad. All right. Let me set this up. Let's get the names. All right. So this is going to be everybody in the morning stream. By the way, oh, here we go. Let me just see. Oh, shit. My passwords are up there. Fuck. My bad. I'm going to have to change all my passwords now. Yo, that sucks, man. I'm going to have to change all my passwords. Yo, somebody went back on the stream to screenshot that shit. Yo, go back and look at it. Go back and look at it. Got my grinder password. Dude. Come on, baby. Who do we got? Yo, I wonder if somebody's really going back to try some of these passwords at like Tradeify. You know somebody's doing it. Yo, what up, Sam? Is Sam here? It's 4:22. All right, we're gonna do the afternoon stream. Yo, I love the passwords though. I wonder if somebody on the stream, somebody's like actually trying to log into my freaking Apex account using my my passwords. Yo, it did, Josh. It did. Somebody's definitely trying to log in. Oh, man. Yo, I got to change them quick. Yo, it happens, man. It's crazy. People are crazy. Yo, you're full porting my accounts right now. Yo, this shit just froze on me. Oh, man. Let's see what we got. Oh. Yo, Knob, you don't even have to. I'll full port my own accounts. Quack, quack, baby. Speed fingers activated. Yo. Dude, there's like so much fucking ads again. Yo, I am seriously fucking... I want to say they know I use this for this, and now they're like... They're giving me all these extra ads now. Bro, I still got to download the fucking thing. The ads are too much. I got to put up the ad blocker. I always say I'm going to do it, and I keep forgetting. Yo, David, are you on here? David, it's 4:25. You got 2 minutes. Otherwise, we rerun it. Oh, yeah, you are on here. Cool. Yo, who won the first one? I completely forget because I was too busy. Oh, Sam. Oh, dude, I'm trying to drag it over. Yo, David, you're smoking a cigar while duck racing? David! No, he's got my helmet on. Yo, shoot me an email. Oh, man, guys. Toodaloo. Anybody that's left, just remember this expires at the end of the week. That expires at the end of the week. And if you never got an account with them, literally, this is the best time to do it. You get a free eval. Just throwing it out there. Yo, I'm telling you, yo, later, Ellie. What up, SB Soul? Doing the thing on Tradeify was much better. Yo, they're playing tummy sticks. They're making up playing tummy sticks. Bill Clinton's cigar one. Oh, man. Man, I had fun today. Today overall was a good day. Green, green. Green, green, green. All my PAs are green. My funded futures, one PA is up like $800. Hey, we're around all the time. By the way, anybody that wants to hang out, talk trading after hours, ask any questions, this is where you can find us. This is where we hang out outside of the stream. We play poker at night for free. You can have some fun. We have a voice chat that anybody can jump on. Which firms take crypto as eval fees? Dude, I think my funded futures does. How's that sound? My funded futures might. I'll take a look at it. I usually handle it all at night, David. So tonight I'll send you it and then I'll handle everything tonight. I'm in New York. I'm in New York. Yeah, I don't care. I'm in New York. Dude. You're over in Brooklyn? Where in Brooklyn are you? What area? What area in Brooklyn? If I had to guess, it's Park Slope. Is it Park Slope? Oh, Bensonhurst? Yo, do not come to my house. Do not come to my house. It says which one? For the Discord? I'm going to look right now. People are coming in all the time. Here, try it right now. MJ, try it right now. Oh, dude, I've had people, you have no idea. Yo, does that link work, MJ, the one I just sent over? I just sent a new one in the chat. That should work for Discord. Yeah, Discord works for everyone's in there. Oh. Yeah. I mean, 2 out of 3 works also, Sean. 2 out of 3 works. Yeah, I don't know. That link works for everybody. Yeah, you should be fine. Pretty much. Pretty much. Dude. Oh, man. Today was a good day. I thought today was a good day. I think we had some really good trades. The one trade that I wish I held was when I said we were going to sweep the highs and then dump, and we swept. And even if I didn't take the short here, I should have taken the short when we retested and rejected. Just didn't do it. Yeah, MJ. I mean, most guys are off for a couple, like an hour or two, because we go eat and relax. But dudes are on there playing poker at night. There's a voice channel on the left called General. And you can go down and you could talk and everything. All right. I'm jumping off. I appreciate everybody that was on. I'll be back tomorrow. Be sure to subscribe. And I will, Peruvian marching powder. Some freaking Bam Bam powder. All right. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.